day and welcome to today's construction class. Alright, today we'll be reviewing the object on the screen in 3D Autodesk Inventor. I'm going to be developing this object from my left end view, alright, from the left end view, so which is the elevation. Alright, so I'm going to click on Start 2D Sketch, pick this plane. I'm going to pick a rectangle, okay, rectangle of height of 20 by 90, enter, okay, like that. All right, after doing that, I'm going to actually pick a line. Okay, I'm going to draw this line horizontally like this, and the dimension of this line from here to here is what that's going to be mark of what, mark of 10, enter. All right, I'm going to pick my line also like this. All right, at an height of 45, enter. Okay, height of 45, enter. So width of 40, enter. Then I'm going to bring it all the way down here. So I'm going to pick my circle, so locating the midpoint right here, circle of diameter what, diameter 40, I'm going to draw that. Another circle of diameter 20 on the inside, I'm going to draw that. Then I'm going to pick my line also like that, picking my line in that order. I'm going to let me draw it like this to the bottom like this, using my tangent constraint, this to this. All right, so which is looking okay. All right, so I can actually trim this area off. And this, all right, then I can take this out of the way also. So having it in this manner, what is the next thing I'm going to do? So I'm going to actually finish my sketch. Okay, finishing my sketch, I'm going to pick my extrude command. So picking my extrude command, I'm going to pick this bottom part. All right, so at a distance of 135, I'm going to make it symmetric, okay, in that manner. And I'm going to what, okay. So I'm going to share my sketch. Okay, sharing my sketch, I'm going to click on my extrude. Picking my extrude, I pick this and this. All right, take note of that. So at a distance of that's 75, at a distance of 75, okay, I'm going to what, symmetric in that order. Okay, picking my extrude command also. Okay, and I'm going to pick this at a distance of what, 6. Then I'm going to what, make it symmetric also at a distance of 6, symmetric also. Then I'm going to what, okay that. All right, so the next procedure from here right now, is let me hide all these dimensions of a thing, hide their visibility. Okay, now I'm going to click on this surface here. I'm going to click on create new sketch. Okay, I'm going to pick a circle, creating a circle here, circle of diameter 12, and okay, and another one here of, okay, before I draw the second one, let me actually adjust this very well. Okay, let me create the second one, no wala. So this one also diameter 12, enter. And the distance between both circle, the distance between those circle is 50, enter. Okay, if the distance between them is 50 and here to here is 90, then here to here will be what, will be 20, enter. Take note of that. All right, so and the distance from this midpoint to the edge is going to be 15, enter. And likewise this to this edge is going to be what, 15, and what, enter. Sorry, my area is actually closer to the airport, kindly bear with me. All right, so I'm going to have this likewise diameter what, 12 right there, enter. Okay, distance from here to here is going to be 15, enter. So going to diameter 12 right here, enter also. So the distance from here to here is going to be 20, as you can see, and here to here is going to be 15, as you can see. I'm going to finish my sketch. Finishing my sketch, I'm clicking on extrude. With my extrude, I extrude this right, this and this. I'm going to click on through all, then cut, and okay. All right, it remains a slot at the bottom here. Let me view my first sketch. Let me make it visible. Yeah, my first sketch, I've made my first sketch visible, sketch 1. So what does that imply? That implies that I'm going to pick my extrude command. All right, I'm going to pick, yeah, the one at the bottom, most bottom. Okay, yeah, at a distance of 55, the distance of 55. I'm going to use symmetric and cut. All right, then I'm going to okay that. So, and we have this. Okay, as you can see, now we have this. So what is left for us to do right now is the little slot that sits right here. So how do we actually get that? How do we get that? So to do that, all right, to get the little slot right here and right here, how do I do that? Let me hide this my sketch 1. Okay, I'm going to pick let me check my origin first of all. Origin and origin. Okay, let me have a look. Yeah, okay, so my XY plane is right there towards the area. So I'm going to click on offset from plane. Offset from plane. Okay, 37 plus 6. 37 plus 6 is 43. All right, so 43 minus 90. 43 minus 90. Okay, so that is it. 43 minus 90. I input that, then I click okay. So as you can see now, take a look at this. So the distance from here to here is 43. All right, so take note of that. So I'm going to click on this plane which I create just now. I'm going to click on create sketch, and I'm going to actually click on slice object. Okay, this, I'm going to click that. Clicking on that, I'm going to click on project cut edges. After clicking on that, I'm going to pick my line. Okay, zooming it out from this edge here all the way down here, and I'm going to replicate it on the opposite side here, from this edge here all the way down to this area here, and I'm going to finish my sketch. All right, so finishing my sketch, I'm going to click on extrude. I'm going to click this and this, a distance of 6. Yep, that's it. Then okay. After putting okay, I can hide this. Okay, so as you can see, that is it. So to confirm the distance from here to here, how do I confirm it? I'm going to press M on my keyboard. Pressing M, I pick this edge to this edge. You can see that's the distance of 43. All right, so as simple as that, as cheap as plantain chips. So let me just add one or little touch of designs, just to make it make it look something. Okay, should I pick this? Yeah, I think I love this. This looks okay. Yep. So that is the production of that problem as displayed on the screen. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekun, the founder of Michael Tech. Kindly ensure you refer this video to your friends who might be in need of it, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you.